Hi there, my name's James Miller and welcome to Cat Bite Size, our video series to help small and medium businesses get their ads right. In this second series, brought to you from the confines of Lockdown 2.0, we'll cover how to make sure the price is right in your ads by looking at the rules for straightforward price claims as well as those for savings and price promotions. Customers, myself included, like knowing we got a great deal. And many businesses use price promotions to draw in customers and to increase their sales. But over 70% of the complaints the ASA receives are about ads perceived to be misleading, and pricing and sales promotions are a common issue in those complaints. Now, there are a lot of rules you need to know. For example, did you know that you have to make sure that the price quoted matches the product shown? In other words, you can't feature a picture of a top-of-the-range product with all the paid-for extras but then quote the price for the lower spec model in the headline of your promotion, because that would be misleading. Similarly, if the price of one product depends on another, you have to be really clear about the commitment required from your customer in order to obtain that advertised offer price. So for example, if you have an electric toothbrush that costs £80 on its own, but you can buy it for £20 if you spend £30 in store, you have to be really clear and upfront about the spend £30 in store bit. These are just a couple of the things that you need to be aware of. But don't worry, in the next few videos, we'll cover the key things that you need to know to help make sure the prices and savings claims in your ads are presented correctly. Stay tuned, stick around, and I'll see you in the next video.